Since then, we've seen the release of Apple Watch 7, 8, and Ultra. Still, problems with the watch charger remain: tangled cables, awkward angle, and simply not there when we need them. Today we bring you Maco 2, the smallest Apple Watch fast charger. You can now charge your Apple Watch through your tablet, laptop, wall adapter, or even outdoors. Maco 2 is MFI certified. That means quality assured and up to 50% faster charging speed. It works with any watch band and any power source. It also charges AirPods Pro 2. The thoughtful design lets you fully utilize both USB-C slots. Finally, an Apple Watch charger that lets you do more, be more.